Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, not just for the plus. Yeah.
Welcome guys, Greenbot back again with an narration video. Today we're gonna check out CEO Soprano San Kufa. This is my official music video. Because I can just drop on things. So I'll check out this and so I'll go and feed. Begin now.
A nigga like me, man, I love the game. I love the hustle, man. Be feeling like one of the ball playing niggas, you know, like Bird, Magic or something. Yeah, you know a nigga got dough. A nigga could leave the league. But if I leave, the fans still gonna love me, man?
Dun, 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 dun.
Lost all my money, now I'm trying to get it back. Now it's all about the profit, so I'm trying to let it stack up. Cause I wanna buy a range, put my son up in the back, then cross the 7 seas, cause I can't afford a yacht. Now I'm thinking about my stress, as I'm sipping on the yacht. Lost my brother to the system, man, I hope I get him back. Reminiscing about the...
Hold on there. CEO. Say you lost a brother to the system. You see me, that kinda messed up today, you see me, cause me lose a brother and a sister, you see me. So know them hurt there, you see me.
We used to sit up in the track, the only thing was on our minds was getting to the top. So we had to bag it up, distribute it on the blocks. Only troubles that we had when we run into the cops. Had a lot of close calls, but sometimes we didn't clock. Plus death was up my door, but the niggas scared to knock. I was raised by gorillas, ain't a stranger to a strap. Been through a lot of shit, make me solid as a rock. When it comes to robberies, trust me,
You know what I'm saying? We're raised by gorilla. No for act. When I think about it for real, you know, when I raised by like the system, not really like police system, like the garrison system. You're wise to the world, you see me? Big man teach you. Not only school can teach you wiseness, the streets can teach you wiseness.
can say a lot, ain't nobody done it better, little niggas, that's a fact. I tell you one going so hard, I tell you one going so hard. Come mama, she stuck in the ghetto, and I'm trying to buy her a yard. I tell you one going so hard, I tell you one going so hard. Niggas left me in the mud, like they expect me to starve. I tell you one going so hard, I tell you one going so hard. Come mama, she stuck in the ghetto, and I'm trying to buy her a yard. I tell you one going so hard, I tell you one going so hard.
Real, bro.
Niggas
Real.
left me in the mud, like they expect me to starve, but life school I can manage. Invest in a thing that does damage. Man rob the rich and then feed the poor. I'm a straight outlaw, man a bandit. Man stretch the food like elastic. He's talking shit and I lost it, so I made it done. Do the mannequin, yeah I made him freeze cause he's plastic. You could call your dons, they ain't on piss. Got a shotty right there for gymnastics. You're the type of child to come back my style and then go back home and go practice. Man crush the walls, I love badness. Got the spinners of deck, it's all madness. So when it calm a dog, man will let it bark, and then after that it's all drastic. Man's gone.
CEO Soprano. Yo, understand me I say? Alright guys, that's CEO Soprano. Check out the official video. I link the official video in the description so you can check out the channel, you see me? As me I say, when I say the street raise him certain ways, you see me? And we can attest to that, say, oh, you're wise in this world, bro. That's why sometimes people so easily get tricked because they probably have education, yes, but streets education is different from book education, you see me? Certain things we learn in the street, they don't learn at school, bro. So that they can't get tricked and swindled. So very good tunes still, you see me? Man say more help your mother, take your mother, buy mother a yard and be a thing, you see me? I tell enough to you want to, you see me? But anyway guys, peace.